Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Best SAT Tips by Sebastian Enriquez, and today I will be explaining the topic of data analysis, statistics, and probability mastery. All of these topics related with the SAT math section, okay, with the calculator and the non-calculator section, okay guys, so let's get started. This is my MacBook Air, sorry, I was going to say Pro. So let's go to this web page, which is Power Source. I'm going to click on it. This is a very famous and a very good web page for SAT students, okay guys? Some of the problems that are here might be a little bit old, right? That's why you should go to Amazon or your library and buy a book just like this one from the Princeton Review, okay? You can buy a book of any brand, you know. You can buy a book, for example, from Barron's, from the same college board, and others. Length of a fish. So you have here the age in weeks and the length in centimeters. Okay, let's look at this one fast. Measurements of a certain fish at different ages are given in the table above. Which of the following graphs could represent the information on the table? The measurement different ages are given. Different ages. Okay, because we're in the SAT, right? This is fast. Okay, so the centimeters here in all the graphs that I am looking at, and the weeks in the x-axis, the centimeters in the y-axis. So as you guys can watch here, we need actually like to plot the points. This is the centimeters that we are looking right here is our y, okay, because it is in the y line, and the age in weeks is in our x. Okay, so let me look which one is the one that is the right one, because here I have a 6. Let me look. 2 and 6. Okay, this one looks good. 3, 15. 3, 15, what? 3, 15. 420. No guys, this one is not the right one, because if it is 420, then I think that it needs to increase, you know guys. Let me try the B. 2, 6, that's perfect. 3, 15. No, this one is not good too, because it must be like another type of line, guys, okay? I don't think it's the right one. D looks very, very interesting. I think this one might be right, but let me look at it first. Let me look at it. Weeks, the one that is here, 2, 6, okay, that's true. And we can actually say, okay, 3 to 15. Yeah, I think this is the one that works. Let me look at the answer below. Let me see if I got it right or wrong. If I got it wrong, we correct it together, okay guys? The answer is D. Yeah, we got the right answer. Okay guys, so as you guys can see here, you need to draw a line and then you can have an idea. Guys, as I said before, this is not like a real SAT problem. Okay guys, I think this is more for graphs. You can look at my video of functions for this, for several problems related with this, okay guys? Okay. This is another problem that we have. Guys, this one is very easy. Okay, here it says, according to the graphs above, how many seniors are enrolled at Taft High School? Guys, this is a very, 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 very easy question in the SAT. If you find one of these questions, you might say, thank you, God. Okay, guys, this one is so easy, because it asks, how many seniors are enrolled at Taft School? high school, sorry. So the only thing that you need to say is, okay, how many the percent? Okay, you say 0.15 times. I know, guys, that this is an old calculator, okay, but it works. Times 375. Is one of the answers 375? Yes, A. Let me confirm the answer. Yeah, it is A. Well, here I showed you guys the answer. According to information in the graphs, how many more freshmen are enrolled than sophomores? How many more freshmen? Okay, so how many more freshmen? Okay, guys, as I said before, you need to multiply 0.35 times this, and then you say, okay, the sophomore, which has a smaller percent, you multiply it, then you subtract, and you will get your answer. Just what is here. Don't get scared, guys. This is so easy, especially if you have done a great job in high school. Okay, guys, here, no, it doesn't say the answer. A wildlife company offered tours for 3 different prices during a single year. Based on the information above, how much more money did the company make when the price was 20 than when the price was 5? Sorry, I was going to say 50. No, it's 5, guys, okay? How much more did it make? Because it is asking you, the price of tour here is 5, and the number of purchase tours is this amount, and 20 equal to this one. So as it shows right here, it clearly says, yes, you need to multiply this one by this one and this one by this one. That is very easy, guys. If you do it, therefore you need, I think, subtract, yeah, that's true, and you will get your answer. Of course, guys, it is asking how much more. If the question tells you how much more, of course, guys, it will ask you to subtract. That's something that you need to know. That's something primordial and essential for the SAT. Okay, guys, in this one, the table which is missing some information. No, guys, I don't think that in the SAT you will see this kind of problems like a table missing some information. Let me go to a more competitive one. Let me scroll down. Okay, guys, let's look for basic knowledge that you need to know, guys. The average, you say that, okay, the sum of my numbers divided into the number of all my numbers too. Okay, guys. Do you understand this, guys, about the median? The median is the number that is in the middle. You guys need to organize the row of numbers first, and then you guys are going to choose the number in the middle. Guys, this is a mistake if you immediately say in this one, okay, no, this is 11, because 11, of course, that is not going to be the answer, guys. This is going to be the right answer just if you didn't organize the numbers, guys, but you guys need to organize the number from the smallest to the largest. So this is a common mistake that most of you guys commit, especially those that don't study. Okay, any pattern? No, guys, this is not going to appear in the SAT. Application in the SAT. Let me look at this. Okay, the average arithmetic mean of 1, 2, 5, 9, and x is 4. The average arithmetic mean of 2, 3, y is 6. What is the value of x plus y? The average. So, guys, here we need to calculate the number. Like the value of the number x. Okay, guys, that's what we need to calculate here. Now, because it tells me that the arithmetic mean is 4 and the other arithmetic mean is 6. Now, what I need to do. Okay guys, this is my board. Okay guys, this is what I just did with the problem that we were looking at right now. Okay guys, let me show you guys the problem again. The problem about the average, you know guys. Okay, so here you guys, I know that you guys might find this weird, but guys, this is very normal and very easy. You just need guys to sum 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9, and okay, it must be equal to 17. So here guys, the 4 that you guys are watching right there is because the problem says that the average is 4, okay, plus the unknown variable that we have here. So because the answer here is the average, sorry, is 4, you need to calculate the number, the outcome, the sum of the numbers without the x, and that number must be 17. Okay guys, after that you say, okay, 17 plus x is equal to 20. Now where did I get the 20 from? You need to say, okay, the 5 is dividing, and you need to pass it to the other side to balance the equation, so it will multiply by 4. You're going to say, okay, 5 times 4 or 4 times 5, okay guys, and that must be your equation, and then you're going to solve for x and you get the 3. Now the average of 2, 3 and y, 2, 3 and y is equal to 6. And of course guys, because there are 3 numbers, 2 numbers that were found and 1 variable, you need to divide them by 3 because we are talking about the average. And the average of all of these numbers, including the unknown variable, which we don't know, is equal to 6. So that 6 must not go in this equation, okay guys? Because what you need to do is that you need to actually add 2 and 3 and say, okay, 5 plus y is equal to 6 times 3. You do the same job here. 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. And then you say, okay, y is equal to 18 minus 5, and y is equal to 13. Did you guys understand this? This is very easy. Okay guys, oh my gosh, this is a very easy one. Guys, when there is something when we are dealing with averages and statistics, probabilities, and all of the things, guys, that you see that the average of some numbers doesn't change, that might be because the number is repeating itself through the sequence, okay guys? So in this case the answer is C because of that. When an 8th number is added to the set, the average of the 8th numbers is still 8. Okay guys, so the answer here is C2. I don't think, no, let me scroll down. If x is the average for consecutive odd numbers, what is the median of this set of integers? This sounds good. If x is the average, the arithmetic mean, guys, okay, the arithmetic mean of 5 consecutive odd numbers of integers, sorry guys, what is the median of this set of integers? So the median, you guys already know that the median is the number that is in the middle, you know guys. Let's look at the whole answer so I can give you guys a wide explanation of it. Okay guys, okay, here it says the answer is D. The answer is X. In the list of consecutive pattern numbers, the median is the same as the average, so the answer is D. Did you listen to that, guys? That was the tip that I wanted to give you guys. The median is the same as the average when there is a consecutive list of numbers, okay guys? So when you guys see odd numbers that are in a sequence, the average and the median are going to be equal. That's a trick, guys, and you save a lot of time, believe me. Okay guys, let's go now to my book, to the brainstorm review, and let's leave this webpage. Maria has taken 4 chemistry tests and has an average score of 80. If she scores a 90 on her 5th chemistry test, what is her average for these 5 tests? So she clearly says, the problem, not Maria, it clearly says, let me put my average pi. Guys, this is essential to solve this kind of problems. It says that she has an arithmetic mean of 80. So we can use our calculator and say, okay, 80 times 4. Because she has taken 4 chemistry tests. Here we have a result of 320. We put it here in the total. 320. How many tests has Maria taken? Okay, 4 tests. Now, what is the average? Here comes the functionality of the average pi. You just need to divide 320 into 4. That will give you exactly 80. And we already know this, guys. That's what the problem already gave us. Now, let me look and let me do another apple pie. Apple pie, no guys, average pie. I got confused, guys. I'm sorry, guys. You can laugh at me, okay? Oh, that is what was funny. So here we need to do. That is very easy, guys. Look, take the calculator. So if you have it 320, add another 80. Okay, guys, you must add another 80. No, guys, sorry. If she scores a 90 on her 5th chemistry exam, okay, guys, so it must be 320 plus 90. I got confused, guys, okay, and that must be equal to 410, I think. Chemistry test 90, yeah, and the total of tests now is 5, right? 5, so you just need to divide 410 divided into 5. That must be equal to 82. And of course, guys, that your answer must be 82. So we are right. Okay, guys. Now, a toy drone is open and charged to full battery life. The table above shows the duration of the battery life in hours and minutes between charges. What is the average battery life for the first 5 charges? So here it asks us for average. It asks us for what? It is asking for average. So what it is asking, what is the average battery life for the first 5 charges? What we need to do is we need to sum all of this, guys. Let me do that, okay, guys? And you might be asking, okay, if I need here, guys, to use 1 unit. Okay, guys, because here I have the minutes and I have the seconds. So I'm going to say, okay, I have 1 minute, so that is 60, and I have 11 seconds. So it must be equal to 71, the first one. I wrote it right here. Okay, guys. Now you say, okay, 60 plus 5, that must be equal to 65. Now you continue adding 59, 55, and 50, 55. Okay, guys, and you divide. We have 5. Yeah, because we are calculating average. Here, you guys don't need to do the apple. I said apple again, guys. The average pi. You know what I am talking about. Let me use my calculator. I already let me calculate it in my mind. 305, I think. Yeah, that must be the answer right now. Yeah, now I need to use my calculator to divide. What? Yeah. Wait. Sorry. I just thought this was 0. 61. And that must be the correct answer. It's simple, guys. So, now guys, what is a mode? A mode is the number in the list that appears most often. Here, guys, is the answer choice. The correct answer choice, as you can watch here, guys, is A. Now, guys, you might be asking why A. 7.2. The pH water of the water in Lake Michigan was tested at 13 locations along the Illinois shoreline. The data is presented in the scatter plot above. Which answer choice best represents the mode of the pH and the collected data? Okay, which is the one that you see with frequency in the graph? 7.2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that must be the answer, guys. They are looking for the mode. Okay, guys. The data is presented. Which answer choice best represents the mode? This is the keyword, guys. A word that you don't understand, you could get the wrong answer. Okay, guys. So, guys, the last thing that I'm going to tell you guys is actually the range. The range is the list of numbers. It's the difference between the greatest one and the smallest one. Okay, guys? So, for example, in this one that we have right here, which of the following will best describe the range of monthly sales in million dollars throughout the year shown? Here is, okay, $1 million. So, we must look for the highest value possible. The highest one is 6.5. That must be in millions. So, okay, I'm going to use my calculator here, as you can watch here, and minus which is the smallest value. Oh well, the smallest value, 2 million. And as you guys can watch here, I have the correct answer, which is that one. And that one, yeah, it matches with this one. Okay, guys. So, guys, well, what can I say to you guys? Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And soon I will make more videos, guys. If you want me to make a video about a specific topic, please tell me, guys. Somebody asked me to do a video about the hard math problems. I will consider that, okay, because it combines too many topics together. Okay, guys, and soon I will give a video about the rates. Okay, guys, so wait for it. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day.